Today we're going to be showing you our 4-ingredient baked donut recipe. If you're limited with time and limited with ingredients, then keep on watching. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav. And I'm Ayush. And we're the Tasty, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Alright, for our first ingredient, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And for our second ingredient, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And our last dry ingredient is a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. And now we're just going to mix this with our hook attachment. We just need this to be combined for the next step. And for our last ingredient, we're going to add vanilla Greek yogurt, a ½ cup. Alright, we're going to mix this until it forms a dough. Alright, so once our donuts come out of the oven, we are going to melt a ½ cup of unsalted butter. And in a bowl, we're going to mix a ½ cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Alright, let's dip our donuts in the butter and then roll it around in the cinnamon sugar. Alright, that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Catch us tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. So that is it for now. So, click over here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge. If you would like, you can subscribe right here. We will see you in our next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.